Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get the BMW M3 GTR in Need for Speed Payback. First, understand that this iconic vehicle was available as an abandoned car. These special cars appear in Fortune Valley for a limited time, offering a unique chance to add them to your collection. You'll need to locate the car, then successfully deliver it to Rav's garage while evading the police. To find the BMW M3 GTR, you'll need to navigate to the Mount Providence area of the map. Specifically, focus your search on the very bottom left-hand side of this region. The car is typically hidden amongst trees near a small group of shops. Keep an eye out for visual cues in the environment that might indicate its presence, as it won't always be on a main road. After locating the BMW M3 GTR, simply drive up to it to trigger the acquisition event. Be prepared for a challenging police chase immediately afterward. You must successfully evade all pursuing police vehicles and deliver the car to Rav's garage. This chase can be intense, so utilize your driving skills and the environment to your advantage to shake off the cops. It's crucial to remember that abandoned cars, including the BMW M3 GTR, were originally available for a limited time, typically around 1 week. If you missed it, check online communities for any news on potential reruns or other ways to acquire it. Also, for making meal prep simple and efficient, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description below, along with other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.